Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an email subscription pop-up to your Wix website. This is a powerful way to grow your email list and keep visitors engaged with your content. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, look for the option that says Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to your website management options. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important step because you want to make sure that this is the website you wish to add a pop-up email subscription on. If you manage multiple sites, double check that you're working on the correct one to avoid any confusion later. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you can customize every aspect of your site. Start by locating the plus Add Element button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This button is your gateway to all the different elements you can add to enhance your website's functionality and appearance. The Add Element menu will expand, and from here you'll see various elements you can use to customize your website. From the list of elements, locate the interactive element and click on it. You'll be presented with various interactive elements that can make your site more engaging. Look for the pop-up section and click on the subscribe option. This is specifically designed for capturing email addresses from your visitors. From here, you'll see 3 sample subscription pop-ups you can use on your website. These templates are professionally designed and ready to use right out of the box. Choose from any of these and simply drag it onto your website canvas. The pop-up will appear on your editing screen, ready for customization. All you have to do now is customize the pop-up to show your brand and theme. You can change the text to match your messaging, adjust the button style to fit your design preferences, and swap out images to align with your brand identity. This flexibility ensures that the pop-up feels like a natural part of your website rather than a generic addition. And that's it. You've successfully added an email subscription pop-up to your Wix website, giving you a direct channel to connect with your visitors and build your email list. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.